What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Maserati remote key fob. This Maserati key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other things I'm going to need in order to replace this battery is a flathead screwdriver and a number 6 Torx bit, a T6 Torx bit. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob, flip it over, and on the back I'm going to press this button right here that my thumb's on. Press that button, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now I'm going to grab my T6 Torx bit and remove this screw right here. Once I get that T6 screw out of there, I'm going to remove these two silver pieces from the side. If you just come up here and can get a finger on them, they come off of there pretty easily. Same thing with this side. Once we remove those two silver pieces, I'm going to grab my flathead screwdriver. And if you look on the sides, we can see there's a little bit of a notch right here, and there's two more just like it on the other side. That's what I'm going to use to open this case, so I'll get my screwdriver in those notches and start working it apart. Come over here on this side, same thing. Once we get that split far enough apart, can pull it the rest of the way off like that. We see our circuit board right here, and there's another T6 screw down in the corner right here. Once we get that out of there and pull this circuit board off, finally we see our battery right here. Also, one other thing I'll point out is this silver piece is pretty loose. It can come off or stay on. If yours falls off, it's fine. It'll go right back on. But anyway, I'll grab my flathead screwdriver, get under the edge of this battery, and just get it out of this little holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side down. And you can see there's this little metal clip right here. That's kind of the edge you want to start in first. So start that edge in first like that, and then pop it down into place. And then we'll put our circuit board back in place, and we need to screw that back down. Once we have that screwed down, we can snap this piece back on. Once we have that piece snapped on, we'll put our metal sides on. And if we're looking at the buttons, the side that has the holes in it, that side will go on the right-hand side. And you can see there's kind of that little hook on the top. You hook it on like that and snap it on. And again, looking from the front, this side has no holes in it. That'll go on the left side. And it'll be the same thing. Has that hook that you kind of start at the top. Snap it into place. Then we need to put our T6 screw back in. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. Quite a few steps there, but not really that hard. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.